Hi, my name is Hasna. I have been studying biotechnology for 2 years at Hansi College. Biotechnology covers a broad range of scientific activities used in many sectors, such as food, health, and agriculture. It involves the use of living organisms or part of living organisms to provide new methods of production and the making of a new product. Today, I will show you the glossary related to my field of study. First, what is a glossary? It's a list of terms in a special subject, for example, here in biotechnology, with accompanying definition, explaining difficult or unusual word and an expression used in biotechnology. People write glossaries because they help the reader to understand the text. So, to see this glossary, we have to go to the address bar here and type www.blogger.com, and the new tab will be open with a list of different blogs. Here, my glossary of biotechnology. Another new tab will be opened after, and as we can see here in the top of the screen, we have the title of this blog is my glossary of biotechnology, and in the middle here we have introduction with different terms and their definitions. Here, the introduction. Hi, my name is Hasna. I live in Montreal. I have been studying laboratory sciences for 2 years at Hansi College. My field of study is biotechnology. The glossary that I have made could be useful for people who are not familiar with terms related to my field of study, and also for the new students in this field of study. This glossary is composed of words that are essential to understand to pursue study in this program. And here we have different terms. The first one, for example, we have active site here in the top left corner of the screen, with definition in the middle of this screen. For example, active site, the part of a protein that must be maintained in a specific shape in the protein. If the protein is to be functional, etc. Here we have another term, aerobic microorganism needing oxygen for growth. We have also biochemical, the product of a chemical reaction in a living organism. We have hormone, etc. Because we have different terms and different with different definition, because biotechnology can encompass different other areas. In the bottom of the screen, we have here a link with the different resources that we get these terms. It's all for today. I hope that this video will help you. Thank you and have a nice day.